And today's offering is an Ifor Williams GD105, a 10x5 general duty trailer with the rear ramp drop down tailgate on it. Main lights are working, watch the video. We had to fiddle with some bulbs and put a new socket on the front, but the lights are working. Tyres are all good, look at the rest of the pictures. Watch me bouncing around in the video in the floor in there, it's nice and solid. Needs this front marker light sorting out. That one is working, but it's missing the back cover off it, but the bulb works. Decent spare tyre on it to get you home, get you off the motorway. Hitch is all good, we towed it back at motorway speeds, no warm or noisy bearings. Original ID plate in place there, it's direct main dealers. We've got a good hitch gaiter, a good breakaway cable, and that's the new socket we've just put on. Ready to go to work, very sensibly priced. Nobody else makes this effort that we do, and this kind of price of trailer. If you like what you see, get in touch. Is the floor solid? That's the question you always ask us. So we do our patented floor testing thing. There's an awful lot of me, and if I don't go through, it's a solid floor. There we go. Got a little bit of wear on the top of it, but it's a good solid floor. It's still a proper trailer flooring board. Not been replaced with cheap plywood. Okay, brakes working on this Ifor. You can see here we're just rocking it back and forward. The brakes are all free, no issues at all. And then Jan will pull it forward and I'll whack the brake on. You can watch it stop. There we go. It did stop, didn't it? Solid now. That's your brakes working. Brakes back off, and we're rolling again.